This video guides you through pairing your smartphone with the Bluetooth system in a Nissan Murano II, 2008 to 2015. While the original Bluetooth is dated, this allows for hands-free calls and audio streaming. We'll cover the standard pairing process and address common issues. First, ensure Bluetooth is enabled and discoverable on your smartphone. This allows your phone to be found by the car's system. On your Murano, turn on the ignition to power up the infotainment system. Navigate to the phone or menu option using the buttons on the steering wheel or center console. Make sure your phone is charged to avoid interruptions during the pairing process. On the Murano's display, look for a Connect Bluetooth or Pair Device option within the audio menu. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on the specific year of your Murano II, but it will be in either the phone menu or main menu. On your smartphone, initiate a Bluetooth device search. Your phone should display a list of available devices. Look for your Nissan Murano's name. It may appear as Nissan Murano or simply My Car. Select the Nissan Murano from your smartphone's Bluetooth device list. This initiates the pairing process between your phone and the vehicle. Your Murano's display will show a pairing code, typically 0000 or 1234. This code ensures a secure connection between devices. Enter the pairing code on your smartphone when prompted. Confirm the connection on both your phone and the car's display to complete the pairing process. If pairing fails, try these troubleshooting solutions to resolve common issues. First, ensure no other devices are actively connected. Multiple paired devices can cause conflicts, so disconnect any existing connections from both the car and your smartphone. Second, turn off and on your car and phone. Power cycling both devices clears temporary connection glitches that may prevent pairing. Third, reset your Murano's Bluetooth module. Check your owner's manual for specific instructions, or search online forums for guidance on performing a reset. Fourth, move away from potential Wi-Fi or other device interference. Bluetooth signals can be disrupted by nearby routers or electronic devices. If basic Bluetooth pairing doesn't meet your needs, consider aftermarket upgrades for better functionality. Head units from Pioneer or Sony offer wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, providing improved music controls, navigation, and addressing the limitations of the original Murano system. Popular options include Pioneer head units priced from $200 to $400 and Sony systems from $300 to $500. Installation can be done professionally or as a DIY project with basic tools, following the wiring diagram for speakers, power, and connections. Nissan no longer provides official firmware updates for the Murano II. This means the vehicle's Bluetooth system remains unchanged from when it was manufactured. However, legacy systems like this can have cybersecurity vulnerabilities. Hackers might exploit outdated security protocols, potentially accessing your vehicle's systems. To stay protected, regularly check community forums like Reddit's Nissan subreddit or Murano-specific groups. Users often share community-developed patches or workarounds for known issues. Additionally, visit authorized Nissan dealers for security checks. They can inspect your vehicle's systems and recommend any necessary protective measures. For sustainability, consider eco-friendly retrofits such as battery-powered Bluetooth adapters. These modernize your connectivity while reducing environmental impact compared to full system replacements.